Hello friends, this is Dr. Sudhi Sharma bringing you a video about a young working mother who has a 1.5-year-old daughter and is staying with her in-laws. She is living in stress. Her office work is very demanding, but her in-laws are not ready to understand this particular point. In their view, she should be behaving like a traditional daughter-in-law. Before going to the office and after coming back from the office, she is supposed to be spending time in the kitchen, and on the weekends, she is supposed to be taking part in all the other household cleaning activities like a daughter-in-law who is not going to the office at all. After returning from the office, if she goes into the kitchen, then this upsets the daughter. She starts crying, she becomes cranky. Instead of there being playing and laughing and talking with each other, the crying child really upsets her. She has offered to pay for the services of a cook both for lunch and dinner, but this proposal has been rejected by the in-laws. They say that the food has to be cooked by the ladies of the house. The rules and regulations in the house are all set by the father-in-law and the mother-in-law, and they are not ready to listen to her side of the story in this matter. If you are not satisfied with the way we are taking care of your daughter, then leave the job and do everything the way you want to do by yourself. This kind of argument does not give her any chance to open up and express her feelings with her in-laws. Her husband is also not much help to her. Have patience, adjust. With these kind of advices he has for her, her situation is not changing. Her unhappiness is continuing. Her unmarried sister-in-law and brother-in-law are sympathetic towards her point of view, but they also lack courage to speak against their parents. Although she is drawing a very good salary, but all that money in the bank is not helping her to live happily with her in-laws or to spend quality time with her lovely daughter. She was desperately searching for some solution that will bring peace and happiness into her life and into the relationship with her daughter when she came across the introductory video of this channel. Only actions can uproot unhappiness and dissatisfaction from your life, and then action has to be initiated today. This principle highlighted in the introductory video appealed to her a lot. Keeping this new approach in mind, she had her action plan ready from the very next day. She looked like a different person next morning. She was smiling a lot, she was looking happier, she was having very easy conversation with her in-laws. She returned from the office that day evening an hour later than her usual time. She was carrying a hot case in her hand. The hot case was opened up in front of all the family members. There was a paneer dish in container, enough in quantity for the whole family. She told everybody in a very quiet, confident voice, "I went to my friend's home from the office and this dish was prepared by me in her kitchen. I must explain the reason also for doing so. If I had done the same preparation in our own kitchen, then our little one would have been crying all the time. When I did the same thing in my friend's kitchen, she is not affected negatively. I get upset when she cries, and in turn I make everybody unhappy with my stupid behavior if she cries. Now this appears to be a very simple solution to our problem. The share of my work I'll be doing in my friend's kitchen and not here, but the work will be done. I may be certainly spending 1 hour less with my daughter here, but whatever time I'll spend with her now in future will be a high quality time. I am quite happy and satisfied with this solution. This ensures happiness and peace in the house. Please support me in this. The daughter-in-law was feeling relaxed and confident within herself. She was hoping that her action will satisfy everybody and will not hurt the ego or sentiments of her in-laws. Now the question for you all, friends. Do you all feel that this changed, relaxed, confident, happier daughter-in-law will in the long run be able to spread vibrations of good health, happiness and peace in the whole family? Please share your views in the comment section. If you like the video, then share it with friends and family. Also subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. And now is the quote time. It is not thinking about a problem that solves it, but actual doing of the actions that is recommended by thinking, which initiates the process of solving the problem. The link to the introductory video of this channel is in the description. Thank you all very much for watching the video to the end.